In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a group email in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you've ever needed to reach several contacts at once without jumping into a separate email tool, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open Pipedrive and head straight to your contacts. You'll find contacts on the left-hand bar. This is the main directory of people and organizations you work with. Before you send anything, take a moment to glance through your list. Use the search bar if needed, and confirm you're looking at the right people. It helps to have a clear goal. Maybe you're announcing a feature, sharing a reminder, or following up after an event, so you know exactly who should be included. Next, select the recipients. Check the boxes next to the people you want to include in the group email. Be thoughtful here. Only choose contacts who should receive this message, and consider any preferences or consent requirements you follow for email communications. Selecting carefully keeps your outreach relevant and respectful. Once you've made your selection, look to the top of the list and click Send Group Email. This button is your shortcut to create one message that's individually delivered to multiple recipients. It's efficient, and it helps you keep everything inside Pipedrive, where your activity can be tracked alongside deals and notes. Now, compose your email, or choose a template if you already have one saved. Start with a clear subject line and a friendly greeting. If your template supports personalization, you can pull in fields like first name to make each email feel one-to-one, even when it's sent to many people. Keep your message concise, focused on a single purpose, and crystal clear about any next steps you want readers to take. If you need to, you can attach a file or add a link, and it's always a good idea to proofread before sending. Check that your tone matches your relationship with the recipients and that all placeholders look correct. When everything looks good, click Send and you're done. Your message goes out to all the selected contacts, and you can move on with your day knowing your communication is consistent and organized. That's all it takes. Click Contacts on the left bar, select the people you want, hit Send Group Email, compose or choose a template, and send. With this simple flow, you'll save time, stay on brand, and keep your outreach tidy inside Pipedrive.